Mlaen gan Darlington, Correa, gefn wrth gol. Sgwar a hi i Rimmer o'i flaen o, Matt Jones, Rimmer. A'r groesiad fyny dda, sgat Johnny Evans, Evans ar cyfle, o, tackle ar wrol groesiad i mewn. Oedd yna'n gyfle i raidd i Jonathan Evans. Watts, y biniad ymlaen, teg at Wait! Ac o un pen y ca i'r llall. Mae Pen-y-bont ddim yn dar y blaen. 1 munud ar 15 ar y cloc. 4 gol o'r tymor i Wait. Yr ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Aberystwyth dim, Pen-y-bont 1. Ac mae Ashley Evans yn clirio lawr y cae. Teg at Keane Watts. Watts, mae'n torri mae Sabre wedi gwneud camgymeriad erchyll. A mae Keane Watts di dyblu mantais Pen-y-bont. Raich rei clod o, nath o'n ddim roed y bas. Na i fyny mi geodd o Sabre lawr. A be ar y ddiar oedd y golwr yn ei wneud. Ail gol o'r tymor i Keane Watts. Cwlli allan yng nghanol y cae o'r yn dacl ffyrnig gan Thorn. Wait, mae di gweld Sabre, oedd i ar ei linell. O, bron iawn. I hwnna fod yn gol o'r safon ycha. Sabre, oedd o di giro. Jenkins, dyn ni camgymeriad, mae Bale yn disgyn i James Waite. Mae o'n chwilio mi ail o'r noson. Unwaith eto ar blat i Pen-y-bont. A dim ond 3 munud a hanner, da ni wedi cael o'r ail hanner yma. A mae James Waite wedi rhwydo i 5 gol o'r tymor. Siawns gen i di sicrhau'r triffwynt i dîm Rhys Griffiths.
Nice to get 2 wins on the bounce. I thought, to be fair, Aber played their part in a tight game first half, but probably we just had that little bit of extra quality with James Waite in particular. Scored goals at vital moments, and then second half I thought it was a professional performance and we showed how to manage a lead.
Yeah, he gifted Pen-y-bont, 3 goals. The first one not dealing with the bouncing ball, second one goalkeeper error, and Lee Jenkins missed kick for the third one.
Yeah, it's embarrassing, and to go and gift a side like Pen-y-bont 3 goals like that, we should be making them work for them. We should be, they should be trying to be breaking us open to go and score goals, but instead we've gifted them 3 goals tonight, and Rhys will be happy with that, and I'm raging.
Performance really da, gynnogio. Di bob un gêm eith i fod mor neis a byddwn eisiau bob, peth bwysig ydy gathon ni'r 2 points.
We've got to turn it around. Like I say, we're creating so many opportunities, but we haven't got someone at the moment to just go and take it by the scruff and go and put the ball in the back of the net. So we'll work again hard Tuesday like we always do, and we'll be full of confidence going into the game again, and we'll see what we can do on Friday.